Hello world, my name is Riyash Gurnani and you're watching Intro to my series AI Research Paper Implementation from Scratch using PyTorch. Now look at this image closely. This LLM is building a path in front of it as it goes with words. This is how AI works in action. Literally, this is certainly one way to look at it, how AI works. So by end of the series, you'll appreciate and understand its meaning. Now, what will you get out of this series? Is it worth your time or not? So, by the end, we will build ChatGPT 2 from scratch using PyTorch. As a result, you will be confident enough to crack any AI engineering interviews. This series is for anyone from student to professionals who wants to deep dive into AI. This is how ChatGPT was trained. There are four steps. First is pre-training, supervised fine-tuning, SFT, reward modeling, and reinforcement learning (RLHF). In this series, we'll focus on first step retraining. We'll start with neural networks and gradually build up to ChatGPT 2, although it is fairly older model by now, but similar to ChatGPT 3 in terms of architecture. We'll build ChatGPT 2 with the help of research paper published by OpenAI. In this series, you'll understand the inner workings of LLM like never before, how they work, and learn from data. This is going to be YouTube series and videos will be announced on LinkedIn. Any updates to schedule or prerequisite material for this any particular video will be announced on LinkedIn. I'll try to keep this video as short as humanly as possible. We won't read a research paper for sake of reading research paper. There'll be intention behind everything we do, like building up to ChatGPT 3. As you gather, this is a bit of technical series, so hope you are aware. We'll jump straight to implementation after understanding few concepts with PyTorch, which is a deep learning library used by 80 to 95% of AI engineers today, thanks to open source AI models. Now, prerequisite for this series is Python, linear algebra, by which you can understand how AI are structured, calculus, how AI train and learn. You don't need advanced math, just what you learn in college. I have shared a link to these videos in the description where you can learn with intuition. The YouTube channel is best resource to learn maths. Even if you are expert in maths, take a look at these videos. You may find a different perspective. Because series will build on top of this concept, I will assume you can visualize the concept same as me. I'm planning to drop new content every 2 weeks, but I will try to create high quality content. Recently, you came to know about MIT released a report that says 90% of AI projects are failing. I want to think about this problem, why this is a big deal, how AI projects are failing, and what can you do about it. Well, I can think of two reasons, but there may be more. First is use case are wrong, where leaders are rushing to write AI hype, they are sticking AI to products where there is no need. Second, which I want to emphasize, is implementation is wrong. AI system might be able to adopt how you work individually, but scaling that system to enterprise will definitely fail. This report found that companies don't seem to understand how to do that, and companies focus too much on tools. There is new framework dropping every week. and you are wasting your energy to learn that. Instead, you can choose to build the understanding how AI works. This will solve 80% of your AI engineering problems. Sooner you realize, the better for you. Now, you may think Shreyash will definitely start with the paper. Attention is all you need. That change how LLMs are built today. This is typical research paper which are meant to read by researcher because Google researcher didn't fully knew the impact it will have on the future. If you try to read this, you will not fully understand at all. Well, same happened with me. So this is the premise of the series. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.